Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. अब हम लोग आर्डेंस थ्योरम देखेंगे. चलिए आर्डेंस थ्योरम देखते हैं. It states that if R equal to Rp plus Q, then if R equal to Rp plus Q, then R equal to Qp star. It states that if R equal to Rp plus Q, then R equal to Qp star. If P does not contain epsilon, then R equal to Qp star. Hence, what is R, what is Q, what is P, I will let you know. R equal to Q, oh sorry, it should be P. I am saying P, but I have written R, should be Qp star, P star. Okay, Qp star, 2 times I have written. Chaliye. Hence, it has unique solution if P does not contain epsilon, and if P contain epsilon, then this equation has many, then this equation has many solutions. This equation has many. Okay. Yeah, many solutions. That is not required. Okay, that is not required. Just for the simplicity, for the syllabus I am writing. Okay. Inside is a unique solution if P does not contain epsilon. If P contains epsilon, then this equation has many solutions. Okay. Where R equal to states E equal to regular expression, Q equal to any combination of regular expression state. Okay. So where R equal to state, P equal to regular expression, Q equal to any combination of regular expression and state. Q is going to be any combination of regular expression and state. Am I clear? So if R equal to Rp plus Q, then R equal to Qp star. That only you have to remember. Where R is state, P is regular expression, and Q is any combination of regular expression and state. Means it is any combination. Okay, like you can say that it is a. So here we have to write the equation. Okay. So Q1, what is Q1? Q1 means how you are able to reach the state Q1. Means what are the ways you can reach Q1. So Q1 you can reach if Q1 will get A. Q1 will get A, then you can reach Q1. Now by Q3A you can reach Q1. Okay, these two ways you can reach Q1. So you have to find the regular expression of Q1. So for Q1 you have to find Q3. Okay, now you have to find the equation for Q3 and plus epsilon, since here you have to plus epsilon, because in case of epsilon move you have to give, in case of initial, see here for every state I will write the equation and I have to solve it. So what the equation here equation means, if I will say Q1, what is Q1? The Q1 means the way you can reach the state Q1. So Q1 by getting A you can reach, then Q3 by getting A you can reach Q1 plus epsilon. Why epsilon move? Because Q1 is the epsilon move is because Q1 is the initial state, because Q1 is the initial state. Q1 is the initial. Okay. Now for Q2 also we have to give the transition Q3 also. So now we will give for Q3 equation. So how we can reach Q3? By getting Q2 by getting A we can reach Q3. Okay. Now for Q2, how we can reach Q2? Q2 we can reach Q3 by getting B plus Q2 by getting B plus Q1 by getting A. So Q3 I can reach, Q2 I can reach by Q2B, Q1B and Q3B. Okay. So Q1 we got Q1A plus Q3A plus epsilon, that we have got in Q1. So in place of Q3 you can write Q2A plus epsilon, you can write. So in place of Q3 you can write Q2. Here only you can write. So we first solve Q2. Okay, we first solve Q2. This way also we can do, but you people will may get confused. So I want the solution of this. This I am writing as equation 1. This I am writing as equation 2. And this as 3. So I want the solution of Q1. The equation that you will get, regular expression here, that is going to be the answer. So for that I require the value of Q3. What I will do here, so Q3 I am getting Q2A. Okay, here I require Q3. Okay, Q3 is having Q2A. So here in place of Q2, that is Q3, you can write here QA place of Q3 you can write, but here I require, that is Q1, let me check, Q1A, Q3A, then plus epsilon. Okay, so since we require Q3 is your Q2, I think that I did some, is Q3B. Yeah, Q3B is there, then Q1, then Q1, Q3 is, let me, one minute, let me write. So I am going always previous and final slide, so let me write here only. So Q2 I am reaching by Q2B, then Q1B and Q3B, so that I can write. Now I can take Q2 as common. Q. Now it is in the form of equal R equal to RP star. So what is Q? Q is this one, P star, P is this, plus star. Got here, we got this 1B, AB plus B star, then equal to Q1B. Now that I will put here. Okay, 3 you know that going to you क्या था Q3 का equation, Q3 is Q2, place of Q write this 1B, then AB plus star, then this I got case of Q. Now from equation 1 is saying 1 is equal to 1a plus q3a plus epsilon. In place of 3 I should substitute everything, ab plus b star a plus epsilon. Now take q1 as common. Now take q1 as common. You will get a plus b, here b, and ab plus b star a, है ना, plus epsilon. So it is again q1 equal to r p plus q, going to your qp star, q is your epsilon, p is your this, a plus star. ए अच्छा, ए इसके बाद था, ये और आएगा, ठीक है। चलिए मैं एक बार देख लीजिए आप लोग शुरू से। देखिए ये था, तो हमने Q1 पता किए, ठीक है। Q1 इक्वल टू ये आया, एप्सिलॉन मूव क्यों दिए, ठीक है। फिर Q2 पता किए, Q3 पता किए, फिर Q2 को हम सॉल्व करने लगे। Q2 को जब सॉल्व करने लगे तो Q3 की जगह हम ये लिख दिए Q2 a, फिर b, ऐसे। तो Q2 को कॉमन ले लिए, फिर ab प्लस b लिख दिए, फिर Q1 b लिख, हाँ a मिस हो गया था, मैं लिख दिया फिर। तो ये क्या था, r इक्वल टू आर पी प्लस क्यू, तो ये क्या हो गया QP स्टार। तो ये QP स्टार हो गया, तो Q हमारा ये हो गया, ये P स्टार हो गया। Q2 का हमें वैल्यू ये मिल गया Q2 को, अब हम Q1 में उसे लिख देंगे, ठीक है। Q3 हमारा था Q2a, सो Q3 की जगह ये देखिए Q2 हमारा क्या है यहाँ, Q1b ab b स्टार a लिख दिए, ठीक है। तो Q3 हमारा ये हो गया। Q1 हम लिखे, Q1 हमारा ये मिला था Q1a प्लस Q3 की जगह में ये लिख दिया Q1b ab प्लस b होल स्टार a, देन a, ये ऑलरेडी एक a था जो मिस हो गया था, फिर प्लस एप्सिलॉन हो गया, ठीक है। यहाँ तक हो गया। फिर यहाँ हमने Q1 कॉमन ले लिए थे, अब Q1 कॉमन ले लिए, तो Q1 जब कॉमन लिए देखिए तो a मिलेगा, और फिर b ab स्टार a प्लस एप्सिलॉन, तो ये क्या हो गया, r इक्वल टू आर पी प्लस क्यू, जो QP स्टार हो गया। तो Q हमारा एप्सिलॉन था, P स्टार हम कर दिए, तो हमें ये मिला। तो हमें r इक्वल टू आर पी प्लस क्यू के फॉर्म में लेके जाना है, r इक्वल टू आर पी प्लस क्यू के फॉर्म में लेके जाना है। यहाँ ये स्टेट यहाँ सेम रहेगा, और ये QP स्टार मिलेगा हमें। Q कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन और स्टेट का, P इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी अ रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन, ठीक है। क्लियर है सभी को?